So
I messed up. I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Well, you're going to jail.
Huh?
On this ride along, an officer goes off-road. Another holds up a finger. And a woman screws up her mom's car.
My mom's car charged in my car.
On the morning of October 2nd in Port Charlotte, Florida, deputies responded to a call of a hit-and-run. An Acura had rear-ended a Nissan in a turning lane and fled. The victim said the suspect had been aggressively following her for miles.
I'm doing 55-60. It's Thursday. It's a busy morning because she's just riding my ass, and I'm keeping a safe distance.
As the officers continued to talk with the woman, Central Communication received a 911 call from a gate guard at a nearby golf course. He said he just helped a woman in an Acura remove a piece of her car that was damaged. The woman told him she hit a deer or a bear, but he got suspicious when he saw blue paint transfer on it. He said the Acura was now heading towards El Jobin Road from Riverwood Drive, which wasn't too far from where the officers were standing. Dispatch relayed this information to the officers, and they spotted the woman as she was turning at the intersection.
I tried to get my phone out as fast as I could.
That's the car right there.
We'll be right back.
Okay. 239 copy.
This semi-truck would later report being involved in the incident too. As the woman had been fleeing the scene, she'd struck the left side of the truck's trailer. He had to pull over into the grass due to a damaged rear tire. As the officers continued down El Jobin, they nearly passed the Acura as it was turning down a back road.
That's it. Make a left on Cornelius. Just take it real slow. Here, I'll get it. Central 239. Vehicle just turned onto Cornelius from El Jobin. We're turning on Cornelius now. Check these side roads. Next one.
And back on the line, security at Riverwood is one that's actually going within. Disconnected. I'll update you.
The officer would later write in his report that it seemed like the woman was trying to hide from them by turning down the side road and stopping where there were no houses or businesses.
Vehicle at Van Dyke and Cornelius. It's going to be stopped on Van Dyke.
Stay in the vehicle! Stay in the vehicle! Stay in the vehicle!
We'll be right there. We're going to be making contact with the driver. There was no injury at the We'll be back there in a couple minutes.
Drive, put your hands where I can see him! I got it.
I'm with 239.
Is there anybody else in the vehicle? No, is it just you?
No, this is my son's balloon. My son's balloon. Why are you guys freaking?
Can you step out of the vehicle for me?
Yeah.
Do you have any guns on you? Any weapons? No?
No, nothing. No. No, my son is not. He's at school.
Oh, okay.
Well, you're in the... What's been going on today?
Well, this lady freaking was driving crazy, and she was she rear-ended the crap out of me, and I've been.
Rear-ended you?
No, she brake checked me, and I rear-ended her.
Do you have an ID on you?
Yeah, I do.
Where is it? Do you mind if I grab it for you?
Sure. It's
Where is
in
it?
my purse.
It's in the purse? Alright, I'm gonna move this way.
So you were in an accident?
Yeah.
Okay.
But I didn't think it was bad or anything, and then I saw her, it looked like she was, and then I don't know, I just got really nervous, and then it's not my fault. She brake checked me.
Okay. Did you see your car?
Yeah. It was a blue SUV.
Okay.
Did she leave? Because it looked like she was leaving.
No, she stayed.
Okay.
And I guess you hit a semi-truck too. Do you remember hitting the truck?
When I pulled out, yeah, a little bit. It hit me, and then
Okay.
I was trying to leave. I just wanted to see if my car was okay, and I wanted to get away from her because she was acting crazy, and I didn't know what she was gonna do. I was in fear for my life if I got out around her, because she was throwing signals up at me, rolling the window down, freaking out, doing the whole thing, and it was I just didn't feel safe getting out and being there with her at that moment, and then I just really wanted to check on my car.
So why didn't you stop and call us?
I just wanted to check on my car. I didn't know what had even happened, and obviously I knew I'd be in trouble because I'm not supposed to do that. But I was just really scared. I'm sorry, I've never.
Tell me about the semi though.
I didn't even. Okay, so the semi just kind of bumped into me a little bit. I didn't hit into the semi.
Worst thing you can do in a crash is leave the scene of an accident. Can never ever leave in the scene of the accident.
I'm sorry.
Was there anybody?
Horseshoes. insurance for this
And then
car.
you told the security guard at Riverwood that you hit an animal. So you already lied to that person. Now you're lying to us.
I'm not lying to you.
Yeah, you are.
About what did I lie about to you?
Saying you're feeling unsafe and this, that, and the other.
Yeah, because she was screaming at me,
the
like,
law is what? Well, the semi guy isn't lying. So why didn't you stop for that?
Well, this.
So
Okay,
so
I messed up. I'm sorry. I should've
I'm sorry.
stopped.
Well, you're going to jail.
Huh? What?
It's your phone.
What?
You're
I have
going
a
to jail.
kid. I have a child. Wait. I have a son. I have a 4-year-old son. What are you guys doing? No, I can't. I've never been to jail. I've never. What?
Well, there's only the first one.
What? Are you serious right now? Is this really happening? Like, this is serious?
2 hit and runs.
He
2 hit and runs. 2.
hit into
2. No, 2.
me. So is she getting anything? Because she brake checked me. Is she in trouble?
So
He was driving erratically. Is she in trouble?
Oh, 2 people driving erratically that you hit.
No, the
You
one
said
lady
the semi.
caused
You already
this.
lied. You already lied.
Well,
And you fled.
What did
and
I
you,
lie
and
about
you,
the
and you, lied,
semi-truck
and, you,
with?
lied, and you lied to who?
Go
Lied
ahead,
to
tell
who?
this one.
The gate guard. You said you hit an animal. Where's the fur? Where's the
I said I hit an animal previously because I had hit an animal previously, but not. And then I said it got worse because
We're standing out here in a secluded area. No.
Yo, who's the insurance company for your car?
State Farm. It's my mom's car. It's not even my car.
Okay. So we're gonna have you take a seat in the back of our patrol car.
You have anything on you?
Is there any way we can like what can
Should
I
have made a better
do?
decision when you hit the first car.
Yes, sir.
She's already started to lie too many times.
Oh yeah. Come on.
I have a what? No. Wait, are you serious right now?
We need someone to go back to that accident.
Yeah.
But we saw the car, so we're like, we're not gonna let it get away.
No, I agree with you.
Yeah.
No, I agree with you. That's why I'm like, I started meandering that way, and I'm like, I'm going to start going 10-18 to try to catch it.
Yeah.
Can you
Are
explain?
you available to come to my stop?
I'm just really confused right now. I really need someone to just be like level-headed with me and just explain.
Terrible.
Please.
And then, so we had to jump the meeting and go back around and get it, and but here we are.
How did she pull into here?
I think she was trying to hide. Yeah.
Do you have anything on you? Do you have any firearm, any knife, anything that?
Nothing. No.
Okay.
Nothing at all.
So listen, this is what I'm going to explain to you. The first time when you hit a vehicle that you leave the scene of a crash, that's pretty bad. Then you hit another one.
But she hit into. I'm sorry.
Yeah. See if Haley's here. Oh, okay. Cool. Perfect.
I'm going to jail.
Yes, there you are.
They're hitting wrong. Did you want to wait here with this car while we go back there and finish?
Yeah, just do the
Is the lady who did this in any trouble? Because she literally brake checked me.
Listen,
She was driving erratically. How do you not believe? Is there traffic cameras? Go check the traffic cameras.
I don't believe you. You already lied. You lied to the gate guard. You lied to me. And 2 different people.
Why? Let me ask you a question. Why do you see me with
And you turned down here to hide from them?
I didn't even see them. I came down here to try to check out
They
my
had the
car.
lights and sirens.
license sirens on? Here, let's go behind this
I have a
door.
lot going on. I'm not looking around to see if there's. I cannot believe this is seriously happening. That lady.
It is happening. I mean, like I said, you should have never left the scene of a
But
crash.
that lady should be in trouble too because that's not.
So we're gonna put her in your car. You're gonna just transport her.
Can I call somebody? Like what?
Yeah, we'll take care of that.
Your purse. Do you want that to go with you?
I kind of need it. Yeah. Where's it gonna?
So, it's gonna go with you to jail.
Okay.
Yep.
And I get to like keep it on me and everything. Or
Well, they're gonna
take it.
They're gonna keep it in your property, and then when you get released, it'll be given back to you. So I'll grab that for you. She's gonna search you. Okay.
All right, then I'm gonna start.
I'm just gonna grab that. I'll be right back. Her purse.
Yeah.
Yep.
So that happened. She was charged with leaving the scene of a crash with property damage. On January 21st, she pled no contest to the charge and was given 6 months of probation. She was also ordered to complete a 4-hour driving course within 60 days.
This is from the semi.
Yeah.
Ooh, yeah.
That chewed up area, because I'm telling you, when an M1 tank hit me during the Gulf War,
Yeah.
it chewed up my.
Cut you up.
Yeah, that chews me up.